Thank you for watching this Rapid Recovery Knowledge Base video, Mailbox Restore for Microsoft Exchange. My name is Declan O'Regan and I'm a Technical Support Engineer. We're going to start by using the LMU or the Local Mount Utility. This can be downloaded from the license portal, rapidrecovery.licenseportal.com. So I have it pinned here to my taskbar, so I'm going to open that up. To expand this here, protected machines, MBX1 is my Exchange server. So I'm going to use this recovery point here. Exchange databases are located on the eVolume, and this is the database where my mailbox is located. So I'm going to open the database for recovery. So here we can see my mailbox. So if I click on my inbox here, we can see those emails are in my inbox on that recovery point. So if I go to my actual inbox at the moment, I have cleared it out here, and I'm going to restore those emails from the recovery point back in here into my actual inbox. So I'm going to click on Restore. I have four options at this stage. I can restore items to a recovery folder, to a PST file, one for each mailbox, which is very useful, or I can restore to the original location. So I'm going to restore to the original location for this example. I'm going to click on Next and click on Start. So if I actually open up my inbox here, I can see that those emails get restored back into my inbox. Click on Finish. And I'm going to close everything out here. An important step is to also dismount any of the active mounts once I've finished using them. So I'm going to dismount. So we also have another option, and that is to manually restore from the database and log files. So to do that, we need to use the Mail Restore interface. So I have that pinned again here to my taskbar, but you can locate that by going to the following. So on your C, Program Files, App Recovery, Core Service, MR for Mail Restore, and here we can see the Mailbox Restore icon, which I have pinned to my taskbar here. So firstly, I will need to go to my Exchange agent, to the recovery points, and choose the recovery point that I'm looking for. I'm going to go with this guy here. And we need to mount that recovery point. So we need to mount it as writable. So click on writable here. I'm just going to shorten this path to make it a little bit more user-friendly. Finish. So we can see that task is running, and it has now mounted the recovery point. So if I go to my mounts, here I can see that recovery point is mounted. Now my Exchange database is located on the eVolume, so I'm going to copy this path out here. And I'm going to open up Mail Restore. Once Mail Restore opens up, I need to click on the Open button here. I'm going to paste in the path I copied earlier. I'm going to browse to that location, and here is my Exchange database. This is going to automatically populate the log file path and system file path with the same path as my EDB file. Now, as per Microsoft recommendations, log files and EDB files should be located on different volumes. So that is how I have my environment set up. So my log files are going to be located on the F volume, and system files and log files are always in the same location. So I'm also going to change that to F here and click on Open. So here we see my mailbox. I can go into my inbox here, And again, I can restore those emails using whichever method I prefer, as described earlier when using the LMU.
To learn more about Rapid Recovery, please visit us at support.quest.com.